siya. What are you eating, Papa? Sunod yung... Hindi na pa kami... Nasaan yung room na tayo? Nuhaan ko na lang sila. Good morning, guys. Pasensya nyo na yung mukha ko. Mayroong drying lotion ng Mayo Badesco. And yung buhok ko, tingnan yung buhaga. Kasi pinaliguan ko siya kagabi. Pag hindi ko siya plinansya or hindi ko siya plinower o plinansya, ganyan ang itsura ng buhok ko, guys. Buhaghag. And hindi ko napakita sa inyo. And napansin ko lang dito yung first night namin dito na mayroon palang TV dyan, oh. Dito sa kwarto namin. And yung mga bata pala, nag-almusal na sila dun sa kabilang bahay. Nag-toast sila. And yeah, mag-ano lang ako, mag-ayos lang ako kasi sabi ni Jan, yung sister-in-law ko, dadalhin niya raw ako sa Filipino bakers. May Filipino bakers dito kasi si Ma'am Ata gusto rin magpabili ng pandesal. So, yun ang aming ganap. And yeah, mag-ano lang ako, maligo. Nandito na si Jan. Kapiyas na ka. Hi, good morning, Zachary.
Mom, I will tell you a joke. You back up the salad. I'm baking the cake. You're picking your nose. I'm picking my nose. And Mr. Peanuts doing nothing, but he gets the money. I'm rich. Hey y'all.
Where you get that from? Hunter. Is that Hunter's joke? Baba, say good morning. Blue eyes, good morning. Do you go walking? Alis na kami ng sister-in-law ko. Dadali niya ako sa bakers. Yun nga, sa Filipino bakery. And yung mga bata, iniwan namin kay Jan. Kasi si Jan din aalis mamaya. Pagdating namin, mag-golf siya. Siya lang. Hindi niya kasama yung mga bata. Kami lang. And sabi niya, wag daw kaming tatagal. Don't be too long. Say hi, Chona. Hi. Yan ang mami ni Blue Eyes. Dito na kami, guys. What do you call this place? Parahill West. O, basuran yan, guys. Dito kami. First time ko dito. Hindi pa rin ako kapunta dito. Ayan. Is this all Asian? Or...
No, I haven't found.
This is the shop.
Yeah, this is the shop, the bakery.
Ito yung shop. Can we just look for quick here? Or maybe it's closed. Asian spices. Is it open? Open? Oh. It's not working. Baka sarado. It's closed Sunday and Monday.
Yeah, what day are we?
Oh, Tuesday. Yeah, it's open. Filipino grocery. Oh, Filipino pala siya, guys. Yung bakery nandun sa ano, sa likod daw. Yeah, oh my God. Maamoy mo yung pandesal. Amoy na nagbe-bake na talaga si ng pandesal. Sana may Spanish bread. Do they have Spanish bread? Sana may Spanish bread kasi yun ang masarap. Saan? Here. Are they connected?
I don't think.
Ito yung ano, bakery dito. Oh, guys, kung taga rito kayo sa Parahill West, parang wala. But I can smell the... yeah, it's open. Uy, ang bango. Ayun, hi! Ayan, Filipino bakery. Pandesal, mainit.
And then Mum will want cold one.
One cold one and one mainit, please. Kasi si Ma'am, dadala natin si Ma'am. Ano bang meron yung tinapay? Andun, guys. Puto. Ayan, dito ang bakery nila, guys. Oh. Ayan ang putok. Ay. Ito yung, okay. Ito yung mainit na pandesal. Ayan. Tikman na natin. Mainit pa talaga siya. Oh, ang lambot. Ayan. Kainin natin, guys. Habang mainit siya. Sarap. May ano siya, Filipino sana. Sarap. Nakabili na kami ng tinapay and check natin dito sa Filipino grocery ko. Bukas na siya kasi nandito na may car na eh. Just gonna check if it's open. Ah, it's open. Hello, good morning. Good morning po. Tingin muna kami, ate.
Okay. Nag-vlog ka rin ba?
Opo.
Since when?
Years na po. Chona.
Ay, ikaw mo sila ano?
Sila. Opo.
Si Manay. Di ba ikaw si Manay?
Oh, yes, ate. Hello po.
You know each other? My sister mo.
Sister-in-law.
Yeah.
May kare-kare ka, ate?
Ha?
Kare-kare po.
Kare-kare, which one? The
Mamasita.
peanut.
Mix po.
Kare-kare.
Opo.
Hello, ate. Kamusta? Kare-kare. That's all I've got. This one?
Ah, yeah, okay. Tapos wala na nito. Kare-kare. Kuha tayong kare-kare. Kasi dun sa may sa amin, wala nang kare-kare. Po. Nakabalik na kami dito sa bahay nila, guys. Sak, ang dami naming dalang pandesal dahil kay, ano yan, kay ma'am. Sinalubong na kami ni Sak. Okay, just stay here, Sak. This is my pandesal. I just have one of this. Hot. It's good, right?
Mom, is it spicy?
No, it's not spicy. Yeah. $5 for 12 pieces. Is it? Is it right, Salana? $5 for 12 pieces. Yes. Baba, you want pandesal? Pandesal, Papa? Yum, yum. Ta? Hot. Yan, paubos na yung pandesal. Like it, Kuya?
I tried that before.
Yeah, in the Philippines. Natin yung Spanish bread. Ito, oh. Hindi na siya mainit.
I'm coming. Holly said that.
But just want to lang the Spanish bread. Kasi naka-diet siya. Next, nice, right? Ang sarap. Mas masarap ito kung mainit. Umiinom siya ng smoothie. Baba! Do I? Hi! Sarap. Say hi, Baba. Wave. 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 Come on. Come on, wave. Like this. Careful. Careful, Baba. Come on. No. Yeah. No. You don't have to wait, Baba. Come on. Come on.
Sprinkles. Ow.
Prickles.
Careful. Where are they? They're outside.
I'll get it.
Blue eye. Baba.
Ow, that hurt.
Wow.
Yeah, I forgot to tell you that it's prickles out there.
Ayan, ready na siya.
Oh.
Alis na rin siya. Alis na siya. See you. Mag-sleeping sled yung mga bata, oh.
How are these clothes?
Kasi mainit. Just no clothes.
Just a t-shirt? T-shirt.
No, that will be alright. O, tingnan mo na. Dito na sila, oh. Blue eyes! Are you sunbathing na, Baba? Ah?
I'm sunbathing!
And, ayan. Hala. You wait! Hoy! May water balloon sila, oh. And meron pa ditong yellow and orange. Careful! Oh, careful! Oh! Careful! Hoy, Papa, no! Not for Rylan! How many degrees today? 27. Oh, 30 tomorrow. Bukas mas mainit. Ngayon 27, mainit na nga eh.
There's more! We're putting the whole thing.
Alright, how about we do them all first and then I get the second slide off.
Yeah, have a rest with that balloons. Go, Baba! Nanghiram si Oli ng shorts kay Rylan. Oh, careful! Wait, oh! Oh! Poor Rylan. Oh, just be gentle, Kuya.
Oh, God!
He's like, cuddles. Oh, you're all wet.
Oh.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, I'll get wet anyway, you want to cuddle.
No, I have to run up from back here and then slide.
It's a bit stupid over the hose.
I know.
Better.
This one's good.
Last time we got one, it was like tiny little.
Yeah, nothing.
Running them.
Probably best
There's your phone.
not run up there.
Oh! Poor Blue Eyes. You're right, Blue Eyes?
Oh, yeah, beautiful.
Yay! You're done?
I haven't done football. It's not slippery enough, you're not falling. Hey, Baba.
Ay, may langgam. Ang dami nangagat. Oh, ants. Kita nyo? Yun, oh. Oh. Go, Baba! Good girl. Tapos na sila pero si Holly at saka si TJ nandun, oh. Baba, are you sleeping there? Andun sila, oh. Sunbathing, Baba. Look at Holly. Do you want towel, Baba? Come on. Dun lang siya, oh. Kanina pa siya dyan. We have towel here for you. Come on. It's time for the kids. Baba, ano to? Frites with sauce.
Is mine?
Yes? Okay, what you gonna say?
Okay.
You're welcome. Did you have fun? Outside?
I wash my hands.
It's alright. Your hands is washed.
Mama,
Me?
no, me.
Yeah, it's clean.
Nah. Smell.
It's alright.
Smell.
Mabango. Ayan si Kuya. Where's Zach, Kuya? Outside still? Ayan na si Zach. Oops. Okay, eat your sandwich, please. Mag-haul ako ng pinamili ko sa bakery at saka dun sa Asian store kasi wala naman kaming ganap today. Aside kay Jan, pumunta siya sa Kuyonga, naglaro siya ng golf. Siya lang, hindi niya sinama yung mga bata. And then, yung mama ni Blue Eyes and ni Hunter pumunta sa Staple para i-feed yung horse kasi may horse sila eh. So, finid niya yun and si Blue Eyes tulog. And yung mga bata, andito lang sa aking, dyan sila oh. So, bumili ako ng tinapay, madaming pandesal. Kay ma'am to, kasi nga gusto niya yung stock sa freezer. So, $5. May 12 pieces na siya. Ayan oh. So, binilang ko si ma'am na 5. 5 ganito. Tapos, ako, bumili ako ng isang ganito. Yung mainit pa siya. Kunti na lang yung natira. May 5 na lang na natira. And, bumili rin ako ng sponge bread. Ayan. Nakalimutan ko magkano siya. Pero 6 siya. Pero, siguro $5 din. Not sure. Pero, masarap siya. Yun, masarap yung Spanish bread tsaka yung pandesal. And sa harapan ng bakery, mayroon Asian store. So, ito yung pinamili ko doon. Bumili ako ng cracklings. Ayan. 3 nito. 3 cracklings. And binilhan ko rin si ma'am na cane vinegar kasi naghahanap si ma'am ng cane vinegar doon sa Asian store doon sa Filipino store sa may sa amin. Wala siyang cane vinegar. And bumili ako nitong anisado, cooking wine. Sa akin to. And bumili ako ng Mamacita kare-kare mix. And eto, lobster crackers. And yung babae may kinuha siyang king crab. And sabi nung nagtitinda yung may-ari, masarap daw. So sabi ko, i-try ko din. So yan, bumili ako. Pero hindi ko na alam kung magkano siya. Basta yan, king crab. Bumili tayo niyan. And isang corned beef. Kasi sabi ko, magluluto sana ako kanina para ipalamang ko sa pandesal. Pero gumawa naman ng sandwich si Talana para sa kids. So yun na lang yung naging lunch. And eto, tikman natin to. Eto yung peanut, peanut na may anchovy. Mani. May anchovy. Hindi ko alam, siguro gawa niya to. Hindi ko sure. Okay. Ang sarap. Kakaiba lang. May ano siya, may dilis. Bawang. So yun, ito yung mga pinamili ko. And then, mamaya, siguro ang dinner namin, magluluto si Talana ng tacos. And yung mga boys, si Stark tsaka si TJ, ayan ang ginawa nila, oh. Ayun. Ngayon, nasa labas na naman sila. Aray ko. Nandun sila sa labas kasi mainit ngayon. Maganda maglaro sa labas. Tingnan natin kung anong ginagawa nila. Si Blue Eyes tulog. Tingnan natin si Blue Eyes. Dito ang kwarto ni Blue Eyes. Baka magising. Baka magising si Blue Eyes. Yung mga bata nandito sa labas. Ayan. Nagbabike lang sila dito. Where's Holly? Baba! Be careful, okay? Gamit niya yung sasakyan ni Rylan. Just be careful not to hit the car, ha? Ayan, bumalik na sila sa loob. And ako i-edit na lang ako habang tulog si Blue Eyes. Baba, you're right there, Baba? And eto ang aking makakasama habang nag-i-edit tayo. Ayan. At saka eto din. And eto ang ating inumin. Diba? And mag-i-edit tayo. Diba sabi ko sa inyo mag-i-edit ako? Yung aking laptop ay flat. Hindi ko pala siya na-charge kagabi. And nandito na yung mama ni Blue Eyes. Si Blue Eyes tulog pa rin. And yung mga bata, ayan. Nagpa-popcorn sila. And what's movie is this, kuya?
Big Daddy!
Big Daddy. Ayan, nanonood sila ng Big Daddy. With popcorn. Are you happy now, Baba? You have your own? Huh? No, thank you. I'm good.
Hey, excuse me, everybody. Hey. I wanted to thank y'all.
Alis yung mama niya and nagising na si Blue Eyes. Sabi ko ako na lang kukuha kasi punta siya ng mulis. Hi, Blue Eyes! Hey, Baba, come on up. Come on. Come on, kuya. Okay, up, Baba. We have to remove this. Ito yung sleeping bag niya eh. Yee! Come on, let's go. Let's go. Ayaw mong paalis. Okay, come on, let's go up. Okay, wait. Okay. Kuya teacher will get you. Come on, Baba. Up. Up, Baba. Okay. Up. Up daw, kuya. Okay. Remove that, kuya.
Oh, where's Twilight?
Okay. Up, Baba.
Stand up.
Stand up. Okay. Good boy.
Mommy.
Mommy's not here, Baba.
Mom.
Mom is not here, Baba.
Mom.
She will be here soon, Baba. Okay.
Mom.
Okay. Thanks, kuya. Okay, go. Don't give him popcorn, okay? Ayan. Hey boys, don't give him popcorn because you wait for mommy. Mommy will be here soon. Okay?
Anyway, we don't have any popcorn.
Yes. Ubos na rin pala. Si Holly, don't give him popcorn, okay? Don't eat the seeds. No. Baba, how's your nap? Magiging busy na naman siya, oh. Alagyan siya ni Holly ng sleepers. Who's this? Mommy's here. Ayan si Holly. Thanks, Ate Holly. Where's the other one?
Mama.
Okay, get the other one, Baba. Careful. Yes, you can. Try. Meron siyang yung sa likod ba? Oh, good girl. Okay, other one, Baba. Oh, ang cute nila. Ang cute Let me see Holly. I can see you, Baba. Careful. Good job. Yay! See ya. Thanks, Ate Holly. Ayun na siya.
See, Mom.
See you. Siya naman yung magsasapatos. Where's your socks? You don't need? Is it right foot? Let me see. Yes. Ando na kasi yung mga boys sa labas. Silang naiwan. Marunong na yan si Holly maglagay ng shoes. At saka socks pero nandun sa kabila. Doon sa bahay-bahayan namin. See you, Nak! Ayan, kumakain sila ng mousse.
That's the minion.
Ah, the minion mousse.
A little baby spoon.
You have a baby spoon. Yum, yum? Yum, yum? Huh? Yum, yum? Yummy? After nilang manood ng movie, ayan, bumalik sila dito sa sleeping slide. And si Blue Eyes, kanina nandito, ayun, pinalitan na kasi nilalamig na raw siya. Baba! Tingnan si Holly. Pinapakain namin si Blue Eyes nito. Ito yung cracklings na salt and vinegar. Tingnan mo. Baba! How is it, Baba? Pangalawa niya na yan. Mom! You like it? Si Sak tsaka si Holly gustong gusto. Eh, nakabihis na sila. How is it, Baba? More? Oh, it's gusto. Ito, here, Baba, here. Oh, come on.
You said there's no more.
Maliit lang naman yung binibigay ko. Please. Okay. Okay. Don't go there. Mahilig siyang umakyat eh. Come on. Good? Good? Update ko lang kayo. 6 o'clock na guys. And ayan, nag-edit na ako. And si Jan, ayan, kararating lang. Ayun o. As in, kararating lang niya. And si Talana, nagluto siya ng dinner namin. Ito yung lamb, right, Talana? Ayan. Tacos. Tapos, ayan, yung sa kids. And eto, chicken to. Kasi siya, hindi siya kumakain ng ano. Ng lamb or beef or pork, right? Only chicken. Chicken lang kinakain niya. And fish, right? Yeah. Yeah. And vegetables. So, ayan. And si Blue Eyes. Blue Eyes, pang ilang outfit mo na to? Kanina, di ba? Binilisan na siya. This is third outfit?
Yes.
Third niya na yan. Nawala raw siya eh, pabalik dito. Kasi sobrang traffic. Ewan ko saan siya. Malayo-layo raw. Yung nilibutan niya. Baba! Blue Eyes! Who's that? Dad. Ang tawag niya ka dyan, Dad. Tito Jan. Come on, Baba. Come on. Narinig yung aeroplano. Kanina pa yan. Non-stop talaga yan. Ay, sasabihin niya na nawala siya.
I ended up like dirty.
So
No, I went down.
There, Baba. No, 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 no. No touch. No touch.
Bloody chuck it right. Like dirty.
Ang layo ng ano niya. Napuntahan niya. And ayun yung mga boys.
To where?
to so
Say good, Kuya.
that's Glow Derby there. If it's here, that's no.
Tingnan mo naman itong isa.
Well, I was in that lane thinking, oh shit, it's turning. So I quickly put the bleep on and went over and went straight.
Sorry,
I don't never do it all that when I come in though.
you sort of would have been.
Duman kasi siya sa isang way. Kasi nga traffic, sobrang traffic papunta dito. Katulad kahapon, traffic. Ang tagal din namin makarating dito. Pero hindi kami nawala. Ewan ko sa kanya, nawala siya. Oh no, 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 Blue Eyes!
Fly over here.
Aalis ito lang na may training siya eh. Kasi naglalaro siya ng netball. May training siya mamaya. So, sa akin may iwan si Blue Eyes kasi yung asawa niya rin may training sa footy.
What size is that for?
May netball si Mami. I-change natin ng nappy ang ating Blue Eyes kasi yung Mami niya paalis na. Yeah, Mami is going to the training, Baba. No, Mom. Yeah. You got pupo. You change your pupo. Ang tagal ko na to hindi ginawa. Wait, Baba. Okay? Gustong-gusto niya ang camera. So, hold the camera, okay? Hold on. Okay, here. Hold it. Okay, say hi, guys. Hi, guys. So, hold mo yan. It's done. You're clean. Okay, come on up. Yay! You got fresh nappy. Oh, okay. Let's go outside. Labas natin ito ulit. Kasi naglalaro sila sa labas. Daddy's not here yet. Later. Daddy will be here later. Okay. Say, Harvey. Yeah. Tapos mag-edit si Jam. Pumunta siya sa McDonald's kasi kumuha siya ng dessert. Tapos na siya kumain ng dinner. Oreo yung pinabili ko sa kanya.
There's water on the ground sprinkler and it cut me.
Ikaw na talaga.
Sacky boy.
This is yours. We gonna say, ayan, kay Kuya and Holly Strawberry. You know, I think Holly is inside the shed. What happened to your face? What happened to your face? No, this is mine.
Mom bought. Where's mine?
That's yours, Holly. Go.
Mom God bought me.
You cannot bite this. You cannot bite.
Aha.
Ayan kay Kuya.
Hunter.
Hunter, come on, Hunter. Get yours. Kumakain siya ng jelly. So, i-close na natin yung vlog, Kuya. Come on, let's close the vlog. Guys, we will close the vlog. Tapos bukas, check out na kami dito kasi doon na kami sa hotel. And yeah, we'll see you tomorrow. Good night. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next vlog. Good night. Honey, say good night. Tingnan nyo, nasisak siya na naman yung nangunguna. Good night. Good night. You get one. Bye, Han. Do you want some, Han? Try? Okay. Good night, guys. Good night. I won't see you tomorrow. We're leaving early tomorrow. Good night. Flying kiss. Don't eat flying kiss. Kado, Ate Holly. Good night. Kasi hindi niya na makita bukas. Kiss. Kiss, Ate Holly. Kiss, Ate Holly. Okay, bye. Bye now. Hug daw, Ate Holly. Cuddle daw. Aww. See ya. Yeah.